Hey guys, we're here at Anthracite again. Gonna do some more wheeling this weekend. Let's get this thing started. So I think Anthracite is now my favorite spot. Today we're going to be wheeling with Asher again, and the FJ Cruiser is right there, and my brother Artie is joining us for the first time. My girlfriend is also with us, and she's sleeping in our new Gazelle tent. But for this morning's agenda, we're gonna be making coffee. So today we're gonna get fancy and make some mocha lattes for the crew. I'm very happy for today's sponsorship. This is sponsored by Staresso. So this is probably one of the smallest espresso makers out there on the market. So I'm very happy with how compact it is. Look at that crema, guys. Now that's a nice looking cup of espresso. So this first batch will be for Asher and Artie. There you go, Asher.
Thank you,
That's
sir.
you. Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
To
Cheers.
Staresso. What do you think? Get some reactions here.
I like it a lot.
Asher, what do you think?
Tasty. Tasty.
Yeah, I usually don't go
Really
fancy
Really
on the coffee, but hey, it's compact enough, and it also adds a little bit of a flavor to the adventure. Let's see your reaction. What do you think, Ruby?
Commercial. It's really good. Thank you, Staresso.
Now, we're pretty much ready to go. Time to air down. We're at 35 psi now. Time to drop her down. I'm at 12 psi now. I love this thing. Yeah, that was it.
What?
Yeah, that's the central air deflator system. You're good.
I hate that part.
Back up, back up. Straight, straight.
All right. Clear. Slow. Hey, back it up slow. Oh, you're getting there. Come on. And oh, shit. Oh, fuck. All right. right there. Don't do anything. Holy shit.
Anything. Turn to your driver's side.
Careful, Asher.
Slowly, slowly.
All right, that's it.
Slow, slow. There you go. Straighten out, straighten.
Straighten your wheel.
Straighten your wheel.
I think you're about to climb it.
Go driver.
All right, stop it right there. Yep. Passenger. You got it, that's it. You gotta go more driver there, it's a big rock.
Oh, there's a rock there too.
It's fine.
Alright, turn to driver. There you go. Driver.
Go driver a little bit. Yep, straight.
Wow. Woo. Oh, you got stuck with?
A big rock. Yeah, I'm trying to go over. There you go. Driver.
Breaking for lunch now. Make some sandwiches. I think we're making buffalo chicken sandwiches. And the cheese and spinach out. Little sandwich making station going on here. That's buffalo chicken dip. Very good. Partying in the woods. Wow. Look at this view, guys. Beautiful.
I might get stuck on that one.
Alright, that fucker was deep. That was definitely a fun day today, guys. Lots of mud. Looks like my brother caught a branch overhead there. Yeah, tons of mud. A lot of fun. Back at the campsite, making dinner now. Got the fire pit going. Asher's having some kielbasa. And now we're just straight chilling. Today was definitely a nice long day of wheeling. And for dinner tonight, we got Japanese ramen. Got the water boiling already. Just waiting for this to cook. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Beef broth. ramen noodles that was boiled previously, dumped the water up, put the broth in, threw some vegetables in there, and then we also got some brisket that we're gonna be throwing in here in a bit. And that is dinner. Let's get into that brisket. Ah, hot. Alright, he said there's a pretty short blue here on the left, so you want to hit that first?
I got it.
So, that was a lot of fun, guys. I'm pretty sure that my brother and Asher enjoyed the 2 days of trail riding. I definitely enjoyed it. And my girlfriend, it was her first time here. She couldn't make it the last time since she was working. But I know she had fun too, right, baby? So, that's pretty much it for this vlog, guys. We'll wrap this up with some B-roll. Until next time, peace.